to start living like a celebrity? Well, I'm here to help. With some celebrity inspiration and $1,000, it's time for a makeover. This is You Wish You Lived Here.
Hi guys, I'm Alana and I'm in need of a room makeover desperately. Right now, my room is filled with a bunch of hand-me-down furniture from family, from college. I really need a room that's just more mature and grown up. Ariana Grande would be the perfect celebrity room inspiration. She just makes a girly and mature style. Can you guys help me?
Hi, can I please get one grande apartment with a side of style for Alana, please?
Hey, I'll be right there.
Hi, Dylan! Welcome to my apartment.
Show me your place.
Welcome to my room.
I see lots of beige and black, and there's nothing on your walls.
A lot of this stuff is from my college dorm, so that's why nothing matches.
What is this bed frame?
This is actually 22 years old, and it's been passed down through the generations in my family.
I think there are ways we can refurbish what you have.
My vanity is actually a children's vanity, and then my desk is also from my dorm.
When you shoot your videos, do you even do it in this room?
A lot of the times I actually film my videos in the living room or kitchen because there's not really a specific place to film.
I think what we need to do is give you the place to get your work done, but also give you a sanctuary that reflects your playfulness. I would love to know why you chose Ariana Grande.
I love Ariana Grande because she's both feminine and girly, but she also has a sexy, sophisticated side, and I love that about her. I think it's really time to break free from this ugly room.
By the time this room is done, it's gonna show everyone what a dangerous woman you are, but with some touches of sweetener. Here's the plan. Alana's room is spacious, but filled with hand-me-downs. We're going to upcycle your bed frame to something modern and classy, as well as replace her vanity and desk. We top it all off with Ariana-inspired textures like polka dots, faux fur, and lace. Alana's room will be Ariana-approved when we're finished with it. Alana's got no tears left to cry over her boring space, so let's get started with a DIY. Ariana loves to rock polka dot print, so we're gonna give Alana her very own polka dot black and white accent wall using contact paper. It's super easy to do and only gonna cost us $13 for the entire thing. From Broadway to movies to the NBA All-Star Game, Ariana's no stranger to rocking a cheerleader uniform. Here's a DIY to put some hip hip hooray into your home. You'll need some yarn. Wrap your yarn till it's about 1 inch thick. Take another piece of yarn, wrap it around the center of the pom-pom. Cut through the outside loops of the yarn. Trim the threads so the lengths match all around. Boom! You've got a pom-pom. Make a bunch, do anything with them. We're gonna make a seat cushion. Painting the hardware on a basic wall shelf can turn a boring look into a pretty fabulous one. We bought this wall organizer and added paint, some plants, and picture frames, giving it that Ariana special feel. A great way to showcase a bed is by adding a decorative piece above it. We're using floor mats to mimic an intricate lace design, Ariana's go-to pattern, and this is how we'll do it. Grab a rubber floor mat, or 4, screw them into a headboard or large piece of plywood. Spray paint them any color you want, attach it to the bed or wall. We came to grandify Alana's space from side to side to side. To side, because it's a square. Anyway, let's see what she thinks. Okay, Alana, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good, me too. Check out your new space.
Oh my God. Is this the same room? It's so bright and happy. Look at the bed. Looks like it's made for a princess.
You might not recognize it, but it's your bed frame.
What?
I mean, it was in great shape. It just really needed a retouching.
I agree.
Can you guess what the headboard's made out of?
I'm like, what?
They're doormats.
Are you serious?
I'm super
What?
serious. Like the canopy adds a lot to the girly princess feel in here.
It does. This is something Sleeping Beauty would have.
Totally. Except it's a mosquito net.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm just like overwhelmed. It's so beautiful.
We got rid of your drab old desk that was taking up a lot of space horizontally and utilized the vertical space by giving you ample shelving.
And I love the use of the gold accents and the succulents. It's so cute.
I know you and Ariana are petite girls, but that does not mean that you need a petite vanity.
It is so chic. I'm so excited to sit there and do my makeup like an old Hollywood star.
We wanted to bring more color into your space, so we made you your very own selfie feature wall.
No, this is gorgeous. I love it.
Want to use your space and make one of your videos?
Yeah, let's do it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my friend Dylan, and today we're gonna be doing an Ariana Grande inspired makeup tutorial.
We got all these Ariana Grande inspired upgrades for only $994.79. That's a steal for such a grande home makeover.
Oh my gosh, I love my new room so much. I've always wanted a light up vanity, and it's bright and happy. It's just what I was looking for.
You wish you lived here? Because I do. Subscribe for more episodes of You Wish You Lived Here.